How often should you inspect your dock? Most owners wait too long. Most dock owners don't have a problem with their dock until they suddenly have a $20,000 problem. And it usually comes down to one thing: they weren't checking at the right times. I'm a former engineer and teacher, and I help lake homeowners avoid expensive dock mistakes. I'm PJ at Pennyvale Docks. If you own a lakefront dock, there are a few key times each year when a quick inspection can save you thousands. I'm going to walk you through exactly when to check it and what most people completely miss. I highly recommend you download the dock inspection checklist from my website after this video. Print several copies and keep them together on a clipboard. Now, the easiest way to inspect the dock and decking of a fixed dock is to go in a little boat so you could go underneath it and look at the key components, such as number 1, the decking or the joist. Number 2. Number 3 is a beam. 4 is the piling that holds up the dock. 5 is a bracket. 6 is a bolt or a lag screw. 7 is a cross bracing if it has one. And 8 is the water line. You could use a flashlight to check underneath the dock and around the hardware. Look for rust, corrosion, cracks, loose or missing fasteners. Pay close attention to areas at or below the water line. Spring is the most important inspection of the year. Your dock has just gone through winter stress, water level changes, and possible ice damage. This is where you might see loose hardware, shifting sections, early structural damage. If you catch it now, it's usually a simple fix. This diagram shows a floating dock with a wood deck and 3 types of floating dock failure. Number 1, you have cosmetic damage. Usually that's what you only see when it's relatively new dock. Number 2 is structural damage after it's gone through several years of use and weather. Number 3, system failure. You should have caught that way before. You should also check your docks in the summer because your dock is under constant use. Boats, waves, people, it adds up. Your boards might come loose. There may be added stress at the tie-off points, or you notice your dock sitting lower than normal. This is more of a performance check than damage control. And before the weather hits, you want to make sure your dock is ready. Check for any rust. Rust is a very weak point. This diagram shows galvanic corrosion between 2 different metals. Check out my video, How to Choose the Right Dock Builder, for a clip showing galvanic corrosion in action. It's actually a slow process. It's very easy to catch early. But you want to inspect your anchors and chains, any other weak points, and anything that could fail under pressure. This step alone prevents a lot of winter damage. And this one is non-negotiable. After any major storm, if you notice any shifting, debris damage, stress, or separation, call your dock installer to have them check out how serious the damage actually is. Small issues here turn into big repairs fast. Most dock problems don't happen overnight. They build up from small issues that get ignored. If you stay consistent with inspections, you'll catch problems early and avoid expensive surprises. So you could go to my website and download the dock inspection checklist for free. I also offer blogs on any of the videos that we've made. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. And please let me know what lake you happen to live on. Coming up is best dock for flood zones, fixed floating or breakaway. And also check out Don't Fix Your Dock Until You Watch This.